Dear Kat, it's your 35th birthday, and every year I make a list of the things I love about you. By now, I think you know all the big reasons why I love you. So this year, I decided to make a list of 35 things you probably didn't know I love about you. I love how you look in a dress, but I love the fact that you have more comfy clothes than fancy ones. I love how despite the fact that you're afraid of heights, you agreed to go parasailing with me, and rappelling. I love how you ran a half marathon when you could barely run a 5K just a year ago. I love how hot you look in sunglasses. But I love even more how goofy you look in snorkels. I love how health conscious you are, but I also love how you can throw down a whole pizza on your own and a bucket of Jollibee's fried chicken at 9 in the morning. I love how you vibe to music of any kind, and just how you love to vibe. I love how you're always willing to volunteer, like when you helped my brother when he needed extra muscle for his dragon boat. And I love how competitive you were. I love how you're still a Spartan after all these years, and how you continue to push your limits physically. I love how cultured you are, and how we can spend a day at the museum and a night on Broadway. I love that time I convinced you to do a cold plunge, and you did it.
It's cold.
Nick. And I love how you stepped it up a notch and rolled in the snow. And then you dared me to do it too. I love when you challenge me. I absolutely love how you cheer at hockey games. I love how on most days you don't wear makeup, but I love how beautiful you look when you do. I love how you love video games. I love how you love the snow, and I love how you love the beach. I love how you ask me to take a picture everywhere we go, and I still love how silly you are. I love those silly videos you leave on the security cam, and I still love sweating with you. I love how we're spending our life together. And I love how on that day that I proposed, you weren't focused at all on the diamond, and how we kissed and hugged before you put it on. I love everything about you, and I can go on with a million more things. Happy 35th birthday, my love.